Cathedral.
There is a Cathedral.
It's not Cathedral.
Yes.
Yes, yum bread. Para picar. Tapos,
Wet.
variadas.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, JD.
The narrow streets here going to Barcelona Cathedral. Oh, look at this, Josh, the paintings.
Yeah.
Funny paintings. This is Plaza del Pai. Plaza de San Joseph Oriol. It's, oh, you want to check the square before heading the other side? There's a little square here with food. Just go around and then you have to go back to that street.
Yeah. Look at this.
Cheese. Manchego cheese.
Mushrooms. Yo decía, no puede ser, sí, no te pides uno.
Risotto di boletes.
Sí, pues me dije, a ver.
Just flowers.
Look at the cheese.
Lots of cheese. I think this is a cheese market. Cheese. Then this is a church. Santa Maria del Pi. Santa Maria.
Since 15th century.
Oh, the best Barcelona view. Want to check? Let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Barcelona view.
Muna tayo sa church.
Okay, going inside the church. This is the church. That's the Roman wall. Muralla Romana. Pigeons, yes. This one. Muralla Romana. Hi guys! We're in front of the Barcelona Cathedral. This place, Cafe de Opera. We're going to check. Oh, they have clear Macatalan. Different kinds of coffee. Coffee cocktail.
Ba yan eh?
Ay, ba to? Okay, here you go. Coffee. We're going to have cappuccino. I'll just have cappuccino. I'll have cappuccino and churros or crema catalan.
Tinga. Yung drinks muna.
Coffee, cappuccino.
And JD.
Chocolate.
Mm.
Yeah, I'll have churros and chocolate. We're here at Cafe de El Opera.
Yes.
Wow,
One minute
that's
is
quick.
churros, fraidoras. Oh.
Gracias. This is cappuccino. Husband is having clara. Oh, the
Ooh,
churros.
churros.
Gracias.
Go for it.
The churros con chocolate. And then my cappuccino.
That means with chocolate.
Yes.
It's so good.
This is the churros and then dip on the chocolate.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my, yum yum.
Yumminess.
Over here are the opera. Cafe opera. Hi Josh. That's such a sleepy. How many steps did we walk? We walked 11,000 steps. Now we're having,
We're only half there.
yeah, we're having coffee. And Clara. Daddy likes Clara. I'm having cappuccino.
Churro mo to. Another Clara. Ito. Hi. Natama na.
I'm going to a Daki store. I see the Daki store now, Josh. It seems popular. Oh yeah. Where's your Daki store, Josh? Yeah. There's the Josh Duck store. Barcelona Duck store. Go, Josh.
There's an orange duck. Oh no, that's a rainbow.
This is the Barcelona
The king
Cathedral.
duck. You didn't
Oh,
see
the froggy
king.
too.
Oh,
Stone chupa duck.
huh?
Stone chupa duck.
Oh yeah. Ganda, binigyan pa niya tayo ng bag eh.
I know.
Tsaka nagko-customate nga sila oh.
Oh.
Yung card. Sabi niya, sa Castilla, pagbalik niyo next time.
Oh, wow. This is a lot of duckies here. This is a scary ducky. Hola.
What duck is Papa?
Now he's going to be confused like you.
Yeah.
There are more duckies there.
Yeah, here. How about if you go around first? So you
Go
can
around,
check?
yeah.
Here's another one that's colorful. Maybe the raincoats or pilot. Pilot, no?
Yeah, that's a pilot duck.
Pilot? Look.
These ducks are expensive. 10 euros each.
How about if we buy one for mommy? Maybe this one. Can we
I'm
buy
good,
this
I'm
for
good.
mommy?
I'm good.
Let's get a pink one for mommy.
If you want
Can we?
one,
Like the heart.
this one. Mommy likes this ducky.
Oh, get that for mommy.
This ducky. Hi, look at these duckies.
Todo.
It's a ducky store. Barcelona duck store.
Okay.
Look at those duckies.
This is cute too.
Yeah, you got that, right?
Did you get the scuba?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we do duckies. Earlier, it was a ducky store. Now, it's a cat store.
Yeah.
Cats. Husband and Josh are here at the Benetton. We're checking out this place. 1927. Oh, 1977. I thought it's like